You always hear me say marhaba when I start my videos, which means hi. I would like to add the word guys after marhaba, so it'll be hi guys. But guys in Arabic means Shabab, which addresses the male gender only. So I can't say marhaba Shabab. I have to be precise here and say Shabab wa Sabaya, guys and girls. Let's put them together. Marhaba Shabab wa Sabaya. And not to confuse you, and in Arabic is wa. To easily remember it, think of any word that starts with WA. For example, Washington, wa. I used the WA here, but you can also make it shorter by using only W, which sounds the same. Thank you for watching. Bye, Shabab Sabaya.